Let me paint a picture in your head. A skinny, starving, slaved, uneducated child, walking to work while his friends walk to school. This child lives in Guatemala. Here's another picture. A smiling, chubby, educated child, sitting at home with her family watching a movie. This child is from North America. Now I'm not here to make you sad for a minute, I'm here to make you think for a minute. Here's the question. Which child was born into privilege? As people from North America, we are so molded into this life that was given to us, out of pure privilege. We are so used to having stuff, just stuff, crap really, because what kind of Guatemalan needs a TV for every room? A TV at all? None. We are so lucky with the way we have it. Our parents are educated and have jobs. We were born into this world with food, water, and shelter readily available, while people born in Guatemala aren't as lucky. The majority of people there are not educated and don't have a constant source of income. Here's a statistic for you. 85% of people live in the developing world. Well, why pay attention to this speech? Do you find yourself saying, well, I don't live there, why does this apply to me? I've got 3 words for you, pal. First world problems. We are so hooked on the things we hardly ever think about. Want a drink of water? Turn on the tap. Need to contact a friend? Pick up the phone. It's things like this that someone from a developing country would die for. But instead, they work their butts off to achieve not even half of the stuff we automatically get. We will never know what it's like to survive, let alone live, like someone in the developing world, simply due to the fact that we were born to privilege and they were not. Something we didn't have any control over. One situation is fine while the other is not. I find it so hard to grasp the thought that children on the other side of the world grew up without any of the things that I did. Maybe the reason for this is because of the limited choice in something as life-changing as this. Or maybe that's just it. There was no choice.